Hey everyone, it's Shadow Hacker again. I'm going to try to do my second lock. This one's much more complicated. I believe it to have one or two security pins. I'm still using my crappy stuff. I haven't got my picks in yet. So I'm going to attempt to snake rake it, and if not, try to single pin pick out the security. So let's see if I can get this. I had to reset, so I'm gonna put my crappy rake back in there again and attempt again. Just kind of jiggling it around, hoping I'll get it, because like I said, I don't really have the right tools for this. I do not have the key to this, so I don't even know what it looks like on the inside. It's going to take forever to upload if I do get this. Let's try to single pin some of this. See my single pin. Oh yeah, there we go, baby. There was one security pin, and I knew it. Alright, peace. Don't break the law. Look up Wizwazzle, he's an awesome guy.